Hello students, welcome back to the channel Brilliant Minds by Nero. In this video, we are going to study about how we can insert footers. I'll be teaching you practically in MS Word as well as in OpenOffice also. So this is the index for your book, that is according to your CBSE book. Now this is the session 3, managing footers. I've typed some few paragraphs for you. Suppose you're writing a novel or a story, or your document contains so many pages, and at the bottom of the page you want something to show, like you see your computer book or any subject book. At the bottom of the page you see the page numbers are there. In some books a publisher name is there. What are these? On every page they do not type the footers, they do not type the text on every page at the bottom. What do? They go to this option in insert menu. You will find here an option footers. Okay, see, footers is here. Click here. Now different styles are given to you. This is blank. Here you can type. First I'm taking this option. Okay, now here I'm going to type something for you. Let us come to the first page. You can type on any page, page number, last page, even on the last page or in the first page. Whatever you will type there, it will be shown on the displayed on the every page at the bottom of the page. So I want to type here IT code 402. Done. That's it. So let us check on other pages. See here IT code 402. Next page again IT 40 code 402. It is done for you. Some more options. Even if I write on the last page, even then it will be shown on every page of this particular document in which you are working. Now I'm showing you various things in this regarding footer. Suppose you select this one, 3 columns. Okay, fine. So here I have to type class 10, and here I want to type code 402, and here I want to type suppose MS Word. Done. So let me check on other pages also. Yes, same. Class 10 code 402 MS Word on next page also, and similarly on every page it will be displayed for you. Is it clear? If you want to remove, if you want to edit, of course you can edit these also. Just click here once again and you can edit everything whatever you have written. I've deleted everything. Now if you want to insert something else, like you want to insert page number, so you want this one at the bottom in the middle of the line. So click here. See here, this is the header. Sorry, this is the header. We have to insert for footer, page number. Okay, page number at the bottom of the page. Fine. Here like this. See here, number 1, now page 2, then page 3 and page 4 and so on. Every page is there. You want to close header and footer, you have stopped working it, just close it. Is it clear? So all the options are here in footer also. Similarly we can do in OpenOffice also. I'm going to show in that also. Same document is here. I've typed few lines for you. You want to insert it, go to insert menu. You will find footer. Okay, you will. I don't want to delete the text here, but okay, let me type the footer here. So here I have to write, suppose I want to write here information technology. So let me check. Is it been displayed on every page? Yes, it is there on every page. Information technology is there. And if you want to change something else, you want to enter something else, you can insert various things are here. You want to enter date here. See, date is there on every page at the bottom of the page, because footer is shown always at the bottom. This is the footer, and I've already made the video how to insert headers. The similar procedure is followed in headers also. Only option name is different. In the fields you can enter the page number also, page count, subject, everything. Suppose I want to enter here page number. Okay, go to insert fields and page number. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and so on. One more thing I want to show you, in the fields, date, time, page number, page count, everything is there. There's other option also. Here also, if you want to give any chapter number and name, file name, even you can give here, date from here also. And suppose the page numbers, you want to give the page number in the form of these, like this is the Roman numbers. Suppose I select this one, okay, insert, then close. See here, 2 is here in Roman. Okay, I had not deleted the first one. I have to delete that one. So here you see this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is a third page, and this is a fourth page, and so on. So it is very simple, students, very interesting also. So do it practically also at your home, because schools are closed these days. And if in any case you face any difficulty in doing the practical of inserting footers, do let me know using the comment. Take care. All the best.